Welcome to this tutorial on the mvfind command in Splunk SPL. The mvfind command is a powerful search function that allows you to find patterns in multi-value fields using regular expressions. Multi-value fields are fields that contain multiple values separated by delimiters, and the mvfind command helps you search through these fields efficiently to locate specific patterns or data that match your criteria. The mvfind command is a search command specifically designed to work with multi-value fields. Its primary purpose is to search for specific patterns within fields that contain multiple values. This command uses regular expressions, which are powerful pattern matching tools, to find exact matches or complex patterns within your data. Think of it as a sophisticated search tool that can look through lists of values and tell you exactly where it found what you were looking for. The basic syntax for the mvfind command is quite straightforward. The command structure follows this pattern: mvfind, followed by parentheses containing two parameters. The first parameter is the field name. This is the multi-value field you want to search through. The second parameter is the pattern, which should be enclosed in double quotes. This pattern is the regular expression that defines what you are looking for within the multi-value field. Here is a simple example of how to use the mvfind command. In this example, the command searches through a field called recipients to find email addresses that contain @gmail.com. The pipe eval statement creates a new field called result that stores the output of the mvfind function. The where clause filters the results to show only records where a match was found. The backslash before the dot in gmail.com is used to escape the dot character in the regular expression. Understanding what the mvfind command returns is crucial for effectively using this function. The command returns the index position of the first match it finds within the multi-value field. Index positions start from 0, so if the first value in your multi-value field matches your pattern, mvfind will return 0. If the second value matches, it returns 1, and so on. If no match is found anywhere in the multi-value field, the command returns null, indicating that your pattern was not found. For more advanced use cases, you can use complex regular expressions with the mvfind command. This example demonstrates searching for IP addresses that match a specific pattern. The command looks for IP addresses that start with 192.168, followed by any digits for the third and fourth octets. The caret symbol at the beginning and $sign at the end ensure that the entire value matches this pattern exactly. The backslashes escape the dots, and the \d plus matches one or more digits. The mvfind command has many practical applications in data analysis. For pattern matching, you can find specific email domains, locate IP address ranges, or search for particular file extensions. For data validation purposes, you can validate data formats, filter out malformed entries, and perform quality assurance checks on your data. These use cases make mvfind an essential tool for data analysts and security professionals who need to search through complex, multi-value data fields efficiently. To summarize the key points about the mvfind command: first, remember that it returns the index position of the first match it finds, starting from 0. Second, it uses regular expressions for pattern matching, giving you powerful and flexible search capabilities. Third, it is specifically designed to work with multi-value fields, making it perfect for searching through lists of values. Finally, if no match is found, the command returns null. The basic syntax remains simple: mvfind, followed by the field name and pattern in parentheses. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.